Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. Last week in class we were talking about festivals. And as is often the way in lessons, I learned a lot from my students. I learned all about the many weird and wonderful food festivals which exist around the world. I heard about the Borscht Festival in Ukraine. I heard about a watermelon festival in Astrakhan. And one of my students got talking about a jam making festival that's held annually near where she lives. I asked what the appeal for her was, and she said that she really liked the fact that lots of the jam makers produced new and innovative, unusual, experimental kinds of products. This year she tried cucumber jam, which I must admit I'm not sure I like the sound of, but I guess don't knock it till you've tried it. She tried walnut and cherry jam and a few other different kinds of jams. The appeal for her was the fact that all of these producers were really pushing the envelope. In other words, they were attempting radical innovations. They were extending the limits of what's possible in their field. In the same way, you might talk about a new TV drama really pushing the envelope of television comedy. Bands or artists can really push the envelope. Maybe a singer starts out as just a commercial pop star, but soon becomes much more interested in experimental underground music and starts really pushing the envelope of what pop songs can do. As a coursebook writer with the Innovation series and the Outcome series, I'd like to imagine we've done a little bit to push the envelope of what's possible for global general English courses. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps us with the algorithm. Please do tell your friends, your colleagues, your students about our channel and what we do here. And in the comment section below, we'd love to hear examples of things or people that you think push the envelope.